Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shifting to the smallest chainring and smallest rear cog, so the spring tension is minimal. This makes removal clean and predictable. With the chain relaxed, use a quick link plier to release the master link or a chain tool to push the rivet out one click and free the chain. Once removed, wipe the drivetrain lightly with degreaser to inspect cassette and chain rings. You want a clean mating surface before fitting the new chain, which prevents noise and poor shifting. You measure length by aligning the old chain next to the new one, link for link, because correct length maintains chain tension and prevents damage. Once matched, use the chain tool to push pins out and remove extra links. Make sure the chain is threaded through the rear derailleur cage and jockey wheels. This step ensures correct wrap and shifting geometry. After routing, double-check that the chain sits cleanly on the smallest ring and cog, so you can install them. You connect the chain with the Shimano Quick Link. Lubricate the plates slightly, insert halves, pull the chain through the rear triangle until it snaps into place, or use a chain tool to press the rivet until flush. Once joined, pedal the bike and shift across the cassette to verify smooth engagement and correct B tension. This reveals any length or routing errors. If you hear skipping under load, stop, and check chain line, cassette wear, and for stiff links, correcting those fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.